Hello students, welcome back to my video. So we are doing the chapter basic geometrical concepts, and in the previous video I have completed the exercise 11.2. So I hope you have done all the questions. So the in this video I will start the next topic, that is quadrilaterals. So what is the meaning of quadrilateral? See, a closed figure bounded by four line segments. Okay, so you can see it is a closed figure. So it is a closed figure bounded by four line segments, 1 2 3 4, is called a quadrilateral. Understood? So quadrilateral means it is a closed figure bounded by four lines. That means it has four sides. Any closed figure which has four sides, it is known as quadrilateral. Okay, so all closed figures shown in figure 11.31 are quadrilaterals, as all of them has four line segments. Okay, here all the figures are known as quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral has four sides, four vertex and four angles. Okay, understood? So quadrilateral has how many sides? Four sides. You can see. So this PQRS, this is a quadrilateral. So first is PQ, first side, second QR, second side, third is RS, and fourth is PS. So there are four sides, then four vertices, that means P, Q, R, S, four corners, and four angles, that means angle P, angle Q, angle R, and angle S. Okay, so this is the concept of quadrilateral. So next page, let us see. So in the next page, everything is written. Just now I had told you all the sides are written, PQ, QR, RS and SP. Then all the angles are written, angle PQRS, and all the vertices are written, PQR and S. Okay. So in addition to the above mentioned features, a quadrilateral has two diagonals. Now see, any quadrilateral has two diagonals also. So what is called diagonal? The line segment joining the opposite vertices of a quadrilateral is called diagonals. Here you can see PQRS is a quadrilateral. Here you can see a line segment joining the two opposite vertices. This P and R both are opposite vertices. So a line segment joining the two opposite vertices is known as diagonal. So PR is one diagonal and the next diagonal is QS. Okay. So PR and QS are diagonals of a quadrilateral PQRS. They divide the quadrilateral into four triangles. You can see these two diagonals are dividing this inside part of the diagonal, inside part of this quadrilateral into four parts, four triangles. That means this triangle, first triangle, second triangle, third triangle, fourth triangle. Okay, so this diagonal is dividing the quadrilateral into four triangles. Now understood the concept of quadrilateral? Quadrilateral has four sides, four vertices, four angles and two diagonals. So I hope you have understood about the quadrilaterals. Now let us see adjacent sides. So adjacent quadrilateral has adjacent sides. What are the adjacent sides of a quadrilateral? Adjacent side means the continuous, the next side. So PQ and QR are the adjacent side. QR and RS are the adjacent side. SP and PQ are the adjacent side. So these are known as adjacent sides. Next is opposite sides. Opposite side means face to face. So PQ and RS. So this PQ side and RS side, they are opposite to each other. Okay, and this QR side and PS side are opposite to each other. So they are known as opposite sides. PS and QR, they are opposite. So they are opposite sides. Okay, understood about the adjacent side and the opposite sides. Now adjacent angles. Adjacent angle means the side by side angles. Two angles of a quadrilateral that have a common arm are called adjacent angles. That means this angle PQR and this angle QRS. So these are known as adjacent angles because they have the common arm PQR and QRS. So this arm is common in both the angles. Okay, that's why it is known as adjacent angles. See, in quadrilateral PQRS, angle P and angle S. So angle P and angle S, they are adjacent. Then angle P and angle Q. Angle P and angle Q, they are adjacent. Then angle Q and angle R. Angle Q and angle R, they are adjacent. So the side by side angles are known as adjacent angles. Now opposite angles. Opposite angle means the angles which have no common arm. That means they are opposite to each other. Like angle P and angle R, these are opposite to each other. Angle Q and angle S, they are opposite to each other, they are opposite angles. Now understood? Now let us see the next part, that is interior and exterior of a quadrilateral. Interior means the interior region. Interior region is the inside part of the quadrilateral. So what are the inside part? What are the inside points in a quadrilateral? Point A, point B, point C. The region inside the quadrilateral is known as interior of the quadrilateral. And exterior means the outside part of the quadrilateral. Okay. So this point T, point U, point are the outside part, and on the quadrilateral means the point on the line. Angle point M, point N are the on the quadrilateral. These are the points which are on the quadrilateral. It's a very easy. Now next is convex and concave quadrilateral. What is the meaning of convex quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is called a convex quadrilateral if the line segment joining any two vertices of the quadrilateral is in the same region. So what it means, when all the vertices are joining by one line segment, that is a convex quadrilateral. See, this in this quadrilateral ABCD, it is a convex quadrilateral because AB, BC, CD, DA and AC and BD are in the same region. That means this line segments AB, BC, CD and DA and AC and DB all are joining each other by the vertex. They are all joined by a vertex. They are in the same region. That's why they are known as convex quadrilateral. And what is concave quadrilateral? A quadrilateral in which if at least one line segment joining the vertex is not a part of the same region. That means any one vertex is not joining with the line segment. See here in the next page it is given. See this figure, this quadrilateral is not a convex, it is a concave. It is a concave because these two vertex vertex A and vertex C, this line segment is outside the quadrilateral. Okay, so every point, every vertex should join which is with each other in a same region, inside part. So it is outside the quadrilateral, it is outside part of the quadrilateral. That's why it is known as concave quadrilateral. Next, angle sum property of a quadrilateral. What is the property of quadrilateral? What is the sum of all the angles? This is the main statement. The sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. This is the main statement you have to remember always, because in many questions you will get this, okay, to solve. So like in triangle, the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay, here in any quadrilateral there are four angles. That means the sum of all the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Understood? So all these are explained here. Angle A, angle plus angle B, plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360 degree. Okay. Now we are going to start exercise 11.3. Name the sides, angles and vertices of the following quadrilateral. So these quadrilaterals are given. You have to write the name of the sides, angles and vertices. So let us write it. Now here you can see this is the figure quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Okay. So you have to write like this. The sides are AB, then BC, then CD and AD. You can write DA also. Okay, no problem. Then angles are, these are the angles. Angle BAD. Okay, first angle. Then angle ABC. Angle ABC. Second angle. Then angle BCD. Third angle. And angle CDA. Fourth angle. These are the fourth angles. Then vertices are A, B, C, D. That means point A, point B, point C, point D. So in this way you have to write this solution. Okay. So this B number is your homework. Now question number 2. Look at the given figure and answer the following question. So this is a figure. You have to name the rays. So what are the rays? OD, OC, OB, OA. These are the rays. So these are the rays OA, OB, OC and OD. You have to write in your notebook. Name the angles. You have to write in the name of the angles. Angle AOB, angle BOC, angle COD, angle AOC, angle AOD. So how many angles are there? You have to count it and write it. So this is your homework. Now identify convex and concave quadrilateral. So which is concave and which is convex? So this is convex because you can see all the parts are inside, all the vertices are joining each other, and when you draw a line, so it is inside the quadrilateral. That's why it is a convex. It is a concave quadrilateral because when you draw a line, here it is coming outside. The vertex is joining outside the quadrilateral. That's why it is a concave. Okay. Now, question number 4. Write the opposite sides and opposite angles of the following quadrilateral. So here, what are the opposite sides and opposite angles? You have to write it in your notebook. Okay, let us do. Here in question number 4, this is the figure. This is the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. So what are the opposite sides? Opposite sides are AB and CD. So this AB and CD, these are the pair of opposite sides. Okay, this side and this side. The next is BC and DA. That means this side and this side, DA. So these are the pair of opposite sides. Then opposite angles. So pair of opposite angles are what? This angle A is opposite to angle C. Angle A and angle C. Then another pair is angle B and angle D. That means this angle B is opposite to angle D. Okay. So in this way you have to write the opposite sides and the opposite angles. Understood? So this question number 4, B and C are your homework. Now let us do question number 5. Write the points which lie. So what points are in the interior of the quadrilateral? Very easy. Interior of the quadrilateral means inside the quadrilateral. So only point D is inside the quadrilateral. So you have to write point D. On the exterior of the quadrilateral, exterior means outside part of the quadrilateral. That means point B, point F, and point E. Okay. You can write B, E, and F. So these are the exterior of the quadrilateral, outside the quadrilateral. And on the boundary of the quadrilateral, boundary means on the quadrilateral line. So point A and point C. Point A and C. Very easy, you can write here also. Next, question number 6. Observe the given figure and answer the following questions. So the question number A is, how many triangles can you identify from the figure? So here, this is a quadrilateral inside part. How many triangles are there? You have to count it and write it here. And how many angles are formed at T? That means at T, how many angles are forming? Okay, you have to count it. So this is your homework again, question number 6. Now question number 7, observe the given figure and answer the following questions. So this is the figure, you can see ABC and some points are there. So first is name the collinear points. So what are the collinear points here? Collinear means the points which lie in the same line. So which points are in the same line? Point A, B, C. So here you can write the collinear points are A, B, and C. Name the non-collinear points. Non-collinear means the points which are not in the same line. So which are the points which not in the same line? You can see D, E, and F. So here you can write the point D, E, F. Okay, these are the non-collinear points. Now name the line segments. So you have to name the line segments. What line segments you are seeing here? Line AB, then BC, then AC. 3 line segments you are seeing here. So you can write here AB, then BC, then AC. Okay, very easy. Now name the line. Name the whole line. What is the name of this whole line? AC. Okay, this is the answer. AC. Very easy. So you can write in your notebook all these things. Now last question number 8. Find from the figure, find the value of x. So you can see this figure. So here 4 angles are given because this is a quadrilateral. 60 degree, 95 degree, 100 degree. Here you have to find the value of x. You have to find the value of this angle. So how to find the value of this angle? We have to apply the property. The sum of all the 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. By that property we have to find the value of this x. So let us do it. So here you can see this is the figure. So you have to write the statement. So we know that sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. You have to write the statement of the property. Then you have to make the equation 60 degree plus 95 degree plus 100 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. Now you have to find the value of x. So after adding it is coming 255. So this 255 will go this side and it will become minus because this is plus. So 360 degree minus 255, it is coming 105 degree. So value of x is 105 degree. So this is an important question. Remember, this can come in exam. Okay. So in this way, you have completed the exercise 11.3. So practice all the question nicely. Thank you.